Hey everyone, Canon has released version v1.8.0 firmware for the Canon R7. The Canon rumors site posted it and I quickly jumped online to see if it was true. I went straight to the Canon main page, nothing. Then I went back to Facebook to see if it was actually the Canon rumors site and not some fake site, because AI is going mental at the moment. After I saw it was, I checked the comments, somebody had updated. So then I went to ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT. ChatGPT said no. And it was quite worried. It was actually saying it's probably a fake thing. Don't download it. Your camera could brick. Definitely don't. And I had to actually screenshot the post on Facebook and send it to ChatGPT. And it said, okay, Canon rumors said it, so it must be legit, but still don't download it. So I was going back and forth with screenshots from Facebook to ChatGPT, and it was still reluctant to say it was out. So I thought, hold on, let's just open up the Camera Connect app and see what happens. Boom, there it is. Didn't have to go anywhere, straight from the horse's mouth. So I screenshot that and showed ChatGPT, and that was enough to finally get it on board. Now, what I was hoping for was maybe an improvement in the image stabilizer with my Canon RF 200 to 800mm lens. If you're aware of this combo, if you try and hold the camera body and the lens too still, you get this jumping up and down effect as it overcompensates for being held too still and not left alone on a tripod. That, and maybe some improvement in the rolling shutter, or maybe 120 frames per second in 4K, full 4K. So I downloaded it to find out. So the process was, you open the Camera Connect app, download it from there, then turn on your camera and transfer it across. Now this was a bit of a confusing scene. It showed cancel with a big yellow line around it, and OK was grayed out. And I kept tapping the OK and it wouldn't move any further. So I asked ChatGPT and it said, use the joystick. Okay. Use the set button and the joystick on the right. There it was, it started loading. Right, first thing I wanted to do was point it out the window at something and see if the image stabilizer had been fixed. Unfortunately, no. Yeah, I steadied my arm on the window frame and pointed it at the roof of a house. And yeah, after a few seconds, doing, 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 doing. And I thought, okay, move it to another house, same thing. So that's not fixed. Went into video settings, checked for 4K 120 frames per second. No. I don't know if there'll be any improvements in the rolling shutter until I get out there and test it. So I just throw you these up on screen. I asked Grok, what are the actual improvements with this firmware? And it's kind of niche, yeah, for certain lenses and things like that. Improved display settings when using the RF, what's that, S7.8 f4 STM dual fisheye lens. So a particularly niche lens there. Fixes ERR70 errors that could be occurring via Bluetooth connection. I mean, I don't even know what that is and if that affects me. And other ones, occasional when repeatedly shooting at high speed continuous. Additional note from sources like Canon Rumors mentions overall improvements to operational stability and better handling of some previous ambiguous ERR70 issues that the R7 users have reported. Lens-specific enhancement target users of RFS dual fisheye lenses. No major new features like added AF modes or video capabilities are listed. This is mostly a stability and compatibility patch. So there you go, nothing to write home about, but there could be something in there where you're using it and go, wait a minute, it never used to do this, that's good. Or even worse, it could go the other way and like, why doesn't my camera do this anymore? We'll only know over the next few days when people have had a good test of it. I mean, it's still coming up as not an official release. You have to actually open the Camera Connect app to be sure. Anyway, hope that was helpful, people. And I've just had a look on YouTube. Nobody else is speaking about it. So just to confirm, it is a real thing.